Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. Thought for the day is today is a great day to learn something is new. Okay, that means every day is good for something learn new. Got it? Students, in previously video we learn up to that the topic to Bhim Betka. That means that the trip of Sugandha school come to in that cave, that is a Bhim Betka, and they are saying number of paintings that humans being drawing in that rocks. Okay, and today we have started the next topic of that lesson. It's a lunch time. When they left from the Bhimbetka, they reached at 12 o'clock, but they went from there at 1 o'clock, and that 1 o'clock timing, it's a lunch time, so all children are hungry on that time. Okay, so they are decided to take a lunch. Okay, let's start the topic. The children are hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs. Biscuit, oranges and bananas are also distributed in all buses. Okay, children are very hungry. Okay, the time is, so take out the lunch packs, and also school also provided the lunch like the biscuits, oranges and banana to every students. Okay, total number of students is 210. Okay, so they distributed biscuit, oranges and bananas equal quantity in each and every students. Each child is to be given one orange, one banana and 5 biscuit. Every child got, that is one orange, banana, one and 5 biscuit. All the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. Okay, everyone take the oranges and biscuits also, but 38 students did not get a take, that is the banana. Okay, that means how many number of oranges distributed? It's one per student, so it's 210. Biscuits also one, banana also one per students, it's a 210, but 38 students not accepted that, so 210 minus 38, it's a 172 bananas distribute in that whole children. Okay, and number of biscuits every student they give, they gave, that is the 5 biscuits. So total students of that is the 210, and every student got 5 biscuits. So what is the answer, students? It's a 1050 biscuit, and 210 multiplied by 5. Why? Because every student get 5 biscuit. Got it? Understood? Next, Manjit and Bhanu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzle to pass the time. Manjit and Bhanu complete complete their lunch, or they start asking the puzzle to others that pass to the time. Manjit, tell me the number which is exactly between the 100 and 150. Okay, he asked to the other students, write the exactly number between 100 and 115. 100 and 115 का exactly बीच में. So how will you find exact number between of that two numbers? You just added both numbers and divided by 2. So here 100 plus 150, it's a 250, and 250 divided by 2, it's a 125. Therefore, which number is between the 100 and 150? It's 125. But Bhanu give the answer, it's 120. No, it's 130. No, it is 125. How is calculated? Just added both the quantities and divided by 2. Got it? Next, Manjit, right? Okay, you ask now. Other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzling questions. Then remaining students or children also joining that puzzle game, and everyone asking the puzzling to each other. Okay, first one puzzle. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends, and 3 toffees are left with me. How many children, how many toffees did I have? Okay, one question is there. I have 4 toffees. Got it? And each topics to 4 of my friends. I gave 4 topics each to 4 of my friends and 3 topics are left. उन्होंने कहा कि 4 फ्रेंड्स थे, चारों फ्रेंड्स को 4 4 करके चॉकलेट्स दी गई उन्होंने, और हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट विद देम 3 चॉकलेट्स. तो व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटी या टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ द chocolates? It's 4 chocolate per one student. So 4 multiplied by 4, it's a 16. And how many chocolates left? The number, it's a 3. So 16 plus 3, it's a 19. Specific answer of that questions I am sending on your Gurukul app. Don't worry students. Got it? Second puzzle. What numbers can you make using 3, 5, 7? Here 3 digits are given, and from that 3 digit you just arrange the other numbers. Okay, like greatest number, smallest number, whatever you want, you just arrange the number in a proper manner and find how many numbers formed by that 3 digit. अगर हम उनको ascending order में करते तो क्या हो जाएगा 735, और descending order में क्या आ जाएगा 375 also, 357 also, 735 also, 753 also. Okay, number of how many? At least 6 to 7 number you have to write there. You just take the digits 3, 5, 7 and arrange the new number. Got it students? Puzzle. A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? A number becomes double. नंबर बिकम हो जाता, डबल हो जाता इफ इट्स इंक्रीज बाय 8. उसमें अगर 8 नंबर हम ऐड करते तो डबल हो जाता. व्हाट इज द नंबर? तो यू जस्ट सपोज द नंबर इट विल बी x. गॉट इट? इंक्रीज इट बाय द 8, you give the answer, it's double of that number. So answer क्या आ जाएगा? It's x is equal to 8. Okay, then a double तो हो जाएगा it's 8 plus 8, it's a 16. Got it students? Then fourth one puzzle. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. Here some divisibility test. Check out the of numbers, that is the number 2, 3 and 5. What is the divisibility of any number? Divisibility means what? अगर हम उस नंबर से गिवन नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं then answer will be 0. Okay, that means it's a divisibility test of that number. For example, of 14, 2 sevens are 14, the remainder will be 0. That means 14 is a divisible by 2, क्योंकि 2 से अगर 14 को डिवाइड किया तो आंसर कितना आता है 0 आता है. इज दैट क्लियर? तो यू जस्ट वेरीफाई द divisibility of the 2, 3, 5. It's very easy. If last digit number is even, if last digit of any given number is even, then number divisible by 2. अगर लास्ट में 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 like the numbers having in a last digit or ones place of that given number, then that number is divisible by 2. Got it? Divisibility of 3 means what? Sum of digits of given number. Okay, for example 21 को अगर हम लेते तो 2 plus 1 क्या आएगा 3, and 3 is a divisible by 3. Yes, got it? That means given number is divisible by थ्री से थ्री की डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट क्या है? सम ऑफ ऑल डिजिट इन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय थ्री, देन number also divisible by 3. Got it? And the next divisibility of that number, that is the number 5. A last digit of a given number is 0 and 5, then given number is divisible by 5. Got it students? 2 की divisibility means last में even numbers होना चाहिए. 3 की divisibility means sum of number will be in a table of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Then 5, last or unit digit of given number is 5 or 0, then number will be divisible by 5. Got it students? Like that also you have to solve that sums, given sum. A small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeter. How much time will be take to climb to 2 centimeter? That means small ant climb the 3 centimeter in a 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeter. How much time it will be taken climb to 2 centimeter? Got it? That one also. That means first स्मॉल एंड कहाँ पे क्लाइम करती है? 3 सेंटीमीटर. कितने मिनट में? 1 मिनट में. बट वो स्लिप डाउन हो जाती है और कितने सेंटीमीटर में आती है? 2 सेंटीमीटर स्लिप डाउन, मतलब अगेन इट कम टू इन 1 सेंटीमीटर. देन हाउ मच टाइम विल बी टेक टू क्लाइम टू 2 सेंटीमीटर? उनको 2 सेंटीमीटर क्लाइम अप करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? इट्स 2 मिनट. हाउ? दैट डिटेलिंग आई एम सेंडिंग इन योर ऐप. गॉट इट? फॉर टुडे only it is enough, and next part of that lesson we will explain in next video. Got it students? Thank you.